let's start with health.
Yeah. So that's one of the areas of, well, I'm proud of all of it, but I'm exceptionally proud of the area of health, because that really is truly the most important thing. Like when you're talking about physically, right? What are the three areas that people really seek help in? Their health, their relationships, and their money. I mean, those are the three main things. Well, which one of those three is truly the most important? It's your health, because without that, you don't have anything. It doesn't matter without that. So I have not been ill in 7 years since the year we started working together. And that is also through the pandemic.
Exactly. We were amazingly healthy during the pandemic, right? And Stacy is the prime example. No vaccination of any kind. We did not get vaccinated, and we did not get sick during the pandemic. Yeah.
So that was the last time that I had been ill, was the year that we started working together, and not at all since. Wow. Perfect attendance in life.
Exactly. Perfect attendance. That is true. Exactly. It's when you're a teacher or a mentor, in my case, and teacher, of course, my heart melts when spiritual student, right? Spiritual mentee comes and doesn't miss the sessions, comes and ready and willing to change and learn. Hey, that's blessed life for both of us. Yeah.
Speaking of that, I don't really think we've ever missed a session either.
Exactly.
So, yeah.
Okay. So you never got sick, and then you became a vegetarian.
Yes. And that was an experience of me listening to my own body. It was not a mental thing. It was not forced. It was not because someone told me, because I read it, any kind of outside. It was not any of that. It was my body told me that that's what I need to do when I did that. And I believe that's part of why my health is the way it is. But it was a spiritual reason. And I didn't know it. I was aware of it at the time. This was almost 6 years ago now that I made the change. When our vibration is rising, there's certain things that we aren't going to vibrate with, that it's just not going to be on the same, using linear terms, on the same level or same frequency. So I believe that it's like that with food. That's for my personal choice, And
it was easy and prominent. That's what I like to specify. Easy, because the vibration didn't match anymore. So your new vibration matched being vegetarian. And I say vegetarian, but you always correct me. You always say vegan. And you actually are such a vegan who, it's crazy. She is very crazy vegan, meaning in a good sense. But even you're hungry and tired, and that's when people slide usually and get into that pizza, which is not vegan. But your determination, you are vegan, and on a very high level of food choices. So it's because it's spiritually, vibrationally matching your state in choices in physical, right? In a choice of food. So
yeah, exactly. Because when we make a decision based on listening to our body, based on, for spiritual reasons, it's not mental, it's not forced, it's sustainable. And so I don't feel with my nutrition food choices, I don't feel like I'm lacking anything. I don't feel like I'm sacrificing anything. And I think that that's the big thing. It's not a diet, it's a lifestyle choice.
Exactly.
And I do not feel like I'm sacrificing, because if I did, then I believe I wouldn't be doing it for the right reasons. And I believe that that's 100% the reason why, even like you said, if I'm tired, starving, not in my normal environment, you know, I can still find a way to make those same choices. And I believe it's for those because of that reason.
Yes. Amazing. Amazing. That's huge. That's huge. Majority of the population is on medication and sick at specific age, right? That when we get through that threshold of age, people get sick. And all these years you've been working with me, no sickness. That's big.
And well, yes, and medication free. I mean, maybe I took an Advil occasionally, but I mean,
right,
I don't have any prescriptions, never in the last all these years. Yeah.
Exactly. Amazing. Amazing. We're celebrating right now because this is not only for public to hear, this is for us to acknowledge the achievements, because this is not just easy breezy thing. It's a hard work. Heavy lifting has been done. Right. And you did not get scared when you were talking to your friend and actually came to me instead of running in the opposite direction, right?
Yes. Yeah. She told me it was hard work, and I'm like, great, that's what I need.
Bring it on.
Yeah.
Let me sacrifice here. Let me do the heavy lifting, but results are in front of us.